name is Thomas LEDFORD, aka Taxman 88, and I'm here to share this video upcoming training that I'll be launching September 16th. It's a 4-part video series that's designed to educate and make aware for people who want to start their own tax preparation business who have no prior training or skills or experience at all. So for people who fall into that category, who have no prior training experience whatsoever, but they always want to learn how to prepare taxes and even start their own tax preparation business, this 4-part video training is to educate, inspire, and motivate, empower you to understand what it's going to take for you to be successful inside this industry before you make an investment in someone mentorship or coaching or tax preparation program. And so that's why I'm doing this free video series, is to educate the potential client or the client looking to start their own tax preparation business who does not have a clue on what they're getting themselves into. So this is to educate you, empower you, and to show you what's possible, and so you'll know up front before you go to a local tax preparation company and decide to take their basic tax preparation course, that if this is right for you. And so this is what this course is designed, program is designed to do, to educate the end user who's looking to start their own tax preparation business, who has no prior experience, no prior training, no prior anything, fresh off the boat, if you will. This is the video series designed for you. This is not designed for people who already has training and experience inside the industry already, but you can use this as a guide stick to see if you know this information or are you familiar with this information that's going to let you know where you're at in your journey when it comes to starting your own tax preparation business. And so September 16th, we'll kick off the live training of this 4-part series that's free. And so if you want to be a part of the free 4-part series training, where you get to answer questions right then and there, and I get to answer for you and things like that, definitely want to be there. I'm going to leave a link inside the description of the video where you're going to click on the link. You're going to join my email list, and through my email list, I'm going to send you out information that's going to allow you to receive the link for the free the workshop training, which starts September 16th. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell notification, so you get to follow me on my awesome journey as I continue to be in this career industry of tax preparation, and as I continue with my mentorship program to help individuals who want to start their own tax preparation business get started, help them fast track their success by leveraging my 19 years of experience, 13 of it as a business owner, which is the key to that, because my 13 years of experience as a business owner supersedes the 19 years of experience that a person may have working strictly for a company as an employee. It does. And so this 4-part video series is designed to educate, empower you, and show you what it's going to take for you to be successful in this industry. And then from there, you can decide if you want to continue on to learning the basic tax preparation skills and investing in someone's mentorship or coaching program that's designed to help fast track your success to get you where you want to go outside your business, where you don't have to try to figure this stuff out all by yourself. And so that's what this free workshop is designed to do, is to educate, empower, and make possible where you stand at when it comes to starting your own tax preparation business, and if this is a right fit for you for being in this industry in general. And if you decide based on the 4-part series workshop that it's not for you, then at least you didn't have to spend any financial resources to learn that. And so that's what I'm giving back to people who are looking to start their own tax preparation business. It's all about educating you first, showing you what's possible, showing you if this is right for you before I ask you to go in your pocket and invest into start my mentorship or coaching program, or even taking my tax preparation online tax preparation course, which I offer as well for people who don't want to start their own tax preparation business but just might want to learn how to prepare individual income taxes. You can also take that through me as well. So I want to educate and show people what that's going to look like, what it's going to take for them to be successful, and let them decide from that standpoint if they want to continue on their journey to start their own tax preparation business. And so this here is the content that I've written out that I sat here and written out based on my experience of being in the industry. I didn't have to go get a book. I didn't have to go to a website. All this came out of me based on my years of being in the industry and serving clients and helping people start their own tax preparation business. So I was able to write this in Google Docs in a couple of days. And along with this content, I'm going to put together some videos later on down the road, but this workshop is going to be a live workshop using Zoom for people who want to learn what it's going to take, what it's going to look like to start their own tax preparation business, and to give them a up close and personal crash course, if you will, into this industry so they can make a better decision before they make a financial buying decision. Is this the right industry for them or not? And so this content that I've put together over the last couple of days is what you'll receive. You'll also receive some other resources that I use to help me to get better inside my business that's not directly related to tax preparation. So that's what you got to understand. When it comes to being a successful entrepreneur, there's some processes and steps and things we learn that's outside of tax preparation that helps us to be a better business owner, a better entrepreneur, a better person all around. Because when it comes to starting a business, there's certain things about us that blocks us from being successful. There's some things about us that blocks us from even getting started. And so we have to be able to tear down those walls that's blocking us from even getting started, and tear down those walls that's stopping us from going forward, and tear down those walls that's hindering us from being able to invest in ourselves on a much deeper level where we can get the type of success and the type of results we say we want to get inside of our business. It takes you can continue investing in you on an ongoing basis to get to you where you want to go based on your dreams and goals, your ambitions, your inspiration. And so a lot of times starting out, we nowhere near where we want to be in order to even get where we're trying to go. First of all, that's what you got to understand. Based on knowledge and skills and experience or lack of, you're not where you want to be inside your life, inside your journey, inside your business at this point. And so if you got goals and dreams and aspirations inside your business to be a 6-7 figure earner and to grow an empire of tax services throughout a certain region or a certain destination, then it's going to take you a certain amount of time to get there, and that's going to be based on how much you invest in you on your journey to help you get to where you're trying to go. So with me being in the industry for 19 years, 13 as a business owner, I got kind of comfortable, relaxed, and I stood still for a minute, but I knew I had to start back up moving and invest in me to learn more and more when it came to what I do directly for our tax preparation skills, knowledge, and planning, and invest in someone's mentorship and coaching program where I can learn higher learning skills or a level of skills that's much higher than where I'm at already, that's going to allow me to provide a much higher service to my end user, which are self-employed and small business clients who I'm specialized in working with and helping for the upcoming tax season in 2020, which started in January of 21. That's what I'm working on. That's where I'm at. As well, my mentorship and coaching program is designed to help people start their own tax preparation business, fast track their success, help you maneuver through the minefields and mistakes that you're going to make, that a new business owner makes across the board. Is what mentorship and coaching helps you to alleviate. I help you to get rid of all the frustrations of falling into those traps that you would fall into by being by yourself, by trying to figure it out by yourself, by trying to make this work by yourself. I take away all that. And so that's what I bring to the marketplace. That's what I bring to the table. That's the solution I offer you for the person looking to start their own tax preparation business. I work with people that's already got their stuff set up, meaning you got your business credentials set up, you got your e-file provider's application, which is the EFIN number, done and activated and ready to go. You got your PTIN done, activated, ready to go. So basically you set up a tax service, you're ready to do business, but you might not have the necessary knowledge and skills, number one, to even set up a tax business correctly, and number two, have a wide range of skills and knowledge to prepare different type of tax return clients that may come through your door. And so if you fall into that category, yes, my mentorship program is definitely designed to help you as well. But my mentorship program is a full service program that's designed to help the individual man or woman who's looking to start their own tax preparation business get started, no matter where they at inside their journey, as far as experience to no experience. It doesn't matter with me, but this training here is going to help people who have no experience, no outside training at all, get a better understanding if this is the industry that they want to embark on, if it's right for them, is it what they thought it was going to be. This 4-part video workshop is going to help you decide that, starting the 16th through the 20th of September. Free. All you do is commit some time, pen, pad in hand, take plenty of notes, be educated and empowered to find out if this is the right industry for you. Is this what I thought it was going to be? If it's not what I thought it was going to be, then maybe I might have the wrong industry I want to get into when it comes to starting my own business. And then from there, I can help you point you in the right direction on where you might really want to go when you come to starting your own business. Tax preparation might not be it. It might be something different. And so working with me, you get an opportunity to find out what direction you really want to be in, and not what direction you think you want to be in. And so just make sure you follow me inside my YouTube channel. Click the link inside the description that I'm going to leave. That's going to allow you to join my email list so you can follow me on my journey to financial freedom and get exclusive offers before they go public, and get 20 to 50% off all my offers as long as you're on my email list. And once you become a paid client of a product or service, you'll be grandfathered in for the 20 to 50% off discount for the lifetime that you decide to do business with me and be a part of my YouTube channel and my email list. And so, again, for people who are looking to get ready to start their own tax preparation business, who may not have any prior experience, knowledge, or training, this video workshop series is designed to educate, empower, motivate you, to show you if, number one, if it's the right career business path for you at all, and two, if it is, are you ready to get started? And so that's what this 4-part video series workshop is going to be able to help you understand. It's free. Join my email list through the link I'm going to leave. You'll get more information as we get closer to the workshop starting. It's going to be a Zoom link that you're going to be able to click on and show up on Zoom. The best way is to use a laptop or a desktop if possible, but the phone is the only thing you have to use, or a nice size tablet is all you have to use. Then you have to use what you have. But if you show up, we're going to have to be educated and shown what it's going to take for you to be successful in the tax preparation industry, if that's where you truly want to go. This 4-part video series workshop that's free will help you to make a true decision if there's really the industry and the place for you as far as a business, and get started from home, being able to work virtually, being able to eventually fire your boss if you're working a job already, be able to fire your boss by being focused and dedicated and getting all in to what it's going to take to be successful inside this industry, by having someone who can guide you through a simple process of getting started, guide you through a process of making money for yourself. As long as you take action on the information that you're learning that I'm giving you, you will get results. You will eventually master and get good at what you're learning, and you become able to fire your boss and become a full-time entrepreneur / business owner if you so desire. And so when it comes to what I do, again, I help people start their own tax preparation business, but this here is designed to work and educate and show people who new to start their own tax preparation business if this is the industry for them at all, if there's something they really want to embark on. And based on what you're going to learn in this 4-part video series live workshop, you'll get to make a decision after that to say, I'm still in, or I want to do something different. This will help you to decide all that. And I'll see you in my next video.